crypto super PAC Fairshake gears up for 2026 midterms with $116 million war chest. The cryptocurrency industry is making major moves in the political landscape once again. Fairshake, the crypto-focused Super Political Action Committee PAC, has secured an astonishing $116 million in funds as it prepares to influence the 2026 midterm elections. Fairshake played a critical role in the 2024 elections, backing pro-crypto candidates and challenging lawmakers who took a strict stance against digital assets. Now, with its massive financial backing, the committee is ready to continue its mission of pushing for crypto-friendly policies in the United States government. Big names in crypto fuel Fairshake's mission. The committee's funding comes from some of the biggest players in the cryptocurrency industry: Coinbase, Ripple, and venture capital giant A16Z Andreessen Horowitz have each pledged over $20 million to Fairshake. Crypto-focused investment firm Jump Crypto has also contributed to the cause. These contributions will help Fairshake support pro-crypto candidates in crucial congressional races during the 2026 midterms, the goal to ensure that the voices of crypto investors, developers, and companies are heard in Washington. A history of political influence. This isn't Fairshake's first time making headlines. In 2024, the Super PAC raised over $200 million, using part of that sum to back Bernie Moreno, his campaign against Ohio Senator Sherrod Brown. With $12 million in financial support from Fairshake, Moreno's campaign gained significant momentum, ultimately leading to Brown's defeat, one of the biggest victories for the crypto industry in recent political history. The 2024 elections also saw massive contributions from Coinbase, which donated over $75 million to Fairshake and related committees. Now, the exchange has pledged $25 million for the upcoming 2026 midterms. Meanwhile, Ripple, which contributed $50 million in 2024, has now committed another $20 million. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has been vocal about the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) regulatory stance on crypto, stating that its hostile approach is what pushed industry leaders to form Fairshake in the first place. More industry support on the way. Fairshake's influence continues to grow, attracting more contributions from top industry figures. Uniswap Labs and Robert Leshner, the founder of Superstate, are among the latest supporters of the PAC. Meanwhile, A16Z has confirmed that it will be donating $23 million to the committee, adding to its previous contributions of over $70 million across multiple election cycles. As the 2026 midterms approach, Fairshake is poised to make another significant impact, shaping the future of crypto regulation in the U.S. With hundreds of millions of dollars at stake, the battle between pro-crypto and anti-crypto lawmakers is only getting started. Stay tuned as we keep you updated on the latest developments in the crypto industry. ECB President Christine Lagarde dismisses Bitcoin as a reserve asset. As Bitcoin continues to gain traction as a global reserve asset, one powerful voice remains firmly opposed to the idea. Christine Lagarde, President of the European Central Bank (ECB), has made it clear that Bitcoin will not be considered for the bank's reserves despite the growing interest from sovereign entities worldwide. Speaking at a press conference on January 30th, Lagarde reaffirmed her skepticism about Bitcoin, stating that she is confident that Bitcoin will not enter the reserves of any of the central banks of the General Council. Lagarde's long-standing criticism of Bitcoin. Lagarde has been one of Bitcoin's most vocal critics for years. She has repeatedly argued that the cryptocurrency is primarily used for money laundering and illicit financial activities. Her latest remarks emphasize that Bitcoin lacks the key characteristics necessary for a central bank reserve asset. According to Lagarde, reserves must be liquid, easy to buy and sell without major price fluctuations, secure, free from extreme volatility and speculation, safe from criminal activities, not associated with financial crimes or regulatory concerns. She believes Bitcoin fails in all three areas, making it an unsuitable choice for central banks, a divided financial landscape. While Lagarde's stance is clear, not all European financial institutions share her skepticism. In countries like Norway and Switzerland, banks have taken a different approach by investing in companies that hold Bitcoin, such as MicroStrategy, the largest corporate holder of BTC. Although these investments do not equate to direct Bitcoin holdings, they signal an increasing openness toward Bitcoin as a part of financial strategies. The bigger picture. Lagarde's comments come at a time when more countries and institutions are exploring Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Some central banks worldwide are even considering adding Bitcoin to their reserves. Despite this growing interest, the ECB remains firmly against Bitcoin adoption in its financial system. Lagarde's latest remarks reinforce the bank's conservative stance, making it clear that, at least for now, Bitcoin has no place in the ECB's reserves. However, with global adoption on the rise, could this stance change in the future? Only time will tell. Stay tuned for more updates on the evolving crypto landscape.